about the girl body.
You're a man now.
I show me can't show you, man. You talk about the girl body.
Yeah, body man. Bro, talk, man. 2 girls there, so, man. And you want to talk about body, dog.
Top trouble me.
Man, talk to the girl them there. You also talk about body and 2 girls there, so.
Guys, no follow me.
Back up money, no follow me. See, mama. More brick in the head. In real life. Good cocky for wine pan. See, good girl.
Ziggy, talk. I mean, I got to.
Me not hear you. You chip out.
I mean, I got to. Where you say what?
Eh?
Me, I got to what?
Your name Shamara?
Oh.
So them so sorry.
Your name T-Money. Can't want you.
That's what woman act when they know one, man.
What you say?
We are back.
But you.
I want she name Cowgirl, she name T-Money.
Tell me like your eyes though.
Thank you.
Me yeah fella. So you don't tell me thank me.
I did.
Shana lip them look nice.
Huh?
The one they put on blood clots up the pan lip, you know still don't look good.
Yeah, man, I tell you, any of me I spend some money on you right now, you're my babs.
First thing first. They are talk about spend money on girl and them thing there. You see it. First thing first, remember in your house the one paint.
Jaden, tell you, see dog, that's him up needless all the while, dog.
Sorry, Ziggy, sorry.
Mimi, what do you think about Ziggy in your life?
Can't picture you,
don't watch the media, no business, talk your mind. What do you think about Ziggy in real life?
Yeah, let me bring her down on the internet, you know.
What she say?
Jaden in there?
Yo, what is Jaden? He's in the dog.
Sorry.
Chat, when you see make Jaden can do anything over here and get away with it. When you make Jaden do anything over here and get away with it, dog. Any of me do that, dog, say me a bat him and a baiting by my name, dog. I'm gonna fuck up in a dog.
Phone one fix. What do I phone?
Yeah, healthy dog. Man, I tell you the dog, Jaden can do anything at all over here and get away with it, dog. Anything the dog can do and get away with that, so you know to love the dog.
Why them love me?
No, in the dog. You ask me with them.
I can't believe
the dog. You ask me.
I can't believe the truth. Huh?
My youth.
Oh, sorry,
Jay, you're the people them choice, dog.
How tall me be? Me know me tall on you. How tall you be?
Oh, sorry,
Me around 6 foot.
remember?
All right. You know, you see, if me make you see, you have to make me see. Fair enough?
Me a duck.
I'm here.
Your belly big.
Tucky in the belly. We not see what like.
Dog look cranny, dog. Bumbo clot.
You big? No.
You man look like a man lizard to the clock.
You don't look 6 foot. Like, go out the door.
All right. Come now.
You don't look 6 foot.
Me tall. Your turn.
Like 6 foot, door. So how tall you actually be?
Me don't know how tall me be. Your turn. Where the fuck you whisper for?
So, Ziggy, what you doing?
Exactly, bro.
That's good.
Fuck you. Yeah, man.
So Shania, now your turn.
Eh? Bro, I'm not hear them.
One day, man, I get paid. Oh.
Set a mal.
So I come in for name Pit Boss. How do you care this? Are we this whole on you know? Turn out, turn up.
Guys, in the power tap, but thank you for the follow on me.
Yo, you're not turn up.
But why do I come like something?
Me, ask if she not stand up.
I'm not here, them.
Brother, it's something I give
Wait,
you.
let me jump and come back.
This thing. Shut up, this thing.
I'm not even not seeing coming. Unmute them, but it's a echo, but unmute them.
Yeah, them so big you can't see coming.
Unmute them. Sorry, mama, unmute. You know what I mean?
You fucking idiot. What's my laugh?
That's not bad. Cause that pussy and I like when me laugh, you know. So, Ziggy, how are you?
I thought me and self like 14. Yeah, alright.
Go sport thing and nothing about you know. You can't entertain. No, you know, have me and Jerry do too much for get to know and out and look a comfort zone on the day. Be on yourself. And that you know
Oh,
I
where be?
Thank you, Randy.
you want to get over your hat and done and see what you make about her if we don't have nothing for entertain the people them with.
No, be entertaining people in we never tell them so we're
You
entertaining.
know we entertain, we are entertainers.
Who know what entertainer?
We use enough to entertain.
You do it?
Who?
Yeah, you want